How you can enable your vibration for the messages into your iPhone. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your phone settings. Now from here you have to scroll down a little bit and here is the option of the messages. You have to click on it. Now from here you have to go in this notification icon and from here you have to scroll down. Now from here you have to go in the customize notification. So once you are in the notification, here you have to scroll down and here is the option of the sound. You have to go in it. Now from here you just have to choose the vibration pattern as you want, and you can also go in the haptics and from here you can select it. You can also create the new vibration mode. From that you have to go in the custom mode and from here you have to tap to create a vibration pattern. And once you create it you just have to stop it and save it, and this is how you can enable your vibration for the messages into your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.